Hey SuperMom3TV fam, and I'm back and I'm going to show you my rice water recipe I made. So I got some jasmine rice, and you can pick this up at Dollar Tree. It's only $1. And I got my little bowl. I'm gonna drain the rice off into this bowl with my strainer. And I got this spray bottle, and I got this for $1 at Dollar Tree. And then because of the rice water, it smells so, it just don't smell good to me. I got some peppermint oil. I'm gonna add a few drops of that in. So first, look, it's already, yeah, you can already smell it. As soon as I hit the top, it's like something came off the top. As you can see, it's all murky. But before I did the rice water, I put the rice in there and I poured some purified water on it. Then I drained that off, and then I poured some more water in here. And then I let this sit for 2 days. I put it in a dark area just so it can ferment. So then you're gonna, ooh, I gotta be careful. I do not want to spill this on me. Pouring this in here. Some of my rice went flying, but that's alright. A lot of it ain't get in the bowl. So as long as it ain't all get in my bowl, I'm good. Oh yeah, that ain't nothing. It actually don't smell as bad as I thought it was gonna smell. Probably because it's the jasmine rice, because last time I did mine with the white rice, oh my god, it stinks so bad. And I left the water in the water and the rice in the bottom. I don't recommend you doing that unless you can mask the smell of it. But me, it look like little maggots. But yeah, I don't recommend you doing that. Let me start trash right there for you. I got my handy assistant over here. He off camera. And if you haven't already, make sure you check out my other video on my mask. I did an avocado and aloe vera mask, and then also I did one aloe vera oil, and I love it. I've been using it on my hair and my daughter's hair, and it's just it don't stink or nothing. It smells good. Me, I gotta make sure I know what something smell like. I'm gonna be putting it in my hair. So this is my bottle. I'm just making sure I'm getting these little extra rice pieces that slid off, because I be trying to get it all. And I'm gonna make sure I drop my other videos I posted on my hair growth in the bio, so make sure you click that. And if you're new to my channel, welcome, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. So I'm gonna pour this in the bottle. Oh, no water, no rice got in the bottle, so it did get some in there, but we good. And then I got my peppermint oil. We'll put a few drops of this in there. I do not want that smell. And then put this on. And I'm gonna shake it up some because I got the peppermint oil in there. And I'm actually gonna spray it on my hair and show you guys. So let me take my ponytail out. I don't put like a lot of products in my hair, so right now I just got the little aloe oil in it. But I'm gonna show you. Nah, I didn't mess this all up. Got my brush right here so I can brush it out. And I made sure to clip my ends. Even though you do hair growth, I still recommend clipping your ends if you don't, because it's just another added hair growth method, because split ends are not good. Some people keep their split ends, so it's all up to you. It's however you want to do with your own hair. You can't tell somebody what to do with their hair. If you want to keep your split ends, then keep your split ends. For real. I'm trying to make sure I got it on spray. I was on off still. Okay, there you go. So I'm going to spray some up here on the top of my hair. It really don't stink, so this is good. I sprayed it all over my hair, as you can see. Spray it back here. And I'm going to leave mine on overnight. I'm going to try to do mine for 5 to 7 days and leave it on there. And then I'm going to make another video to show you how my hair did and update you. When I did it before, my hair was getting thick. Like, I like to do it with productive hairstyles. So, like, I'm not doing nothing. So, I'm just going to spray my hair, probably braid it down, braid it up. And just leave it like that. I don't wear wigs or nothing, so I ain't got no wig to throw on it. So it's just gonna be my hair. Throw my hair back in a ponytail. Wear my little turbans. And even a ponytail, shoot, can't go wrong with that. Let this down so you can see. See my hair, I done sprayed it. It's wet, it's curling. Can you smell it, baby? Nope, Brian can't smell it, so that's good. Because this jasmine rice, I recommend this. It's all natural, not GMO, gluten-free and all that. This was better than the white rice. Like, oh my God, it smells like rotten eggs. But this, get up close so you can see. See my hair so far. I'm gonna spray it up close. Rub all this in my hair. Brushing this down. Spray it out of the way. I want it to where it's like all wet, but you know, not soaking wet. I put a towel on because I don't want it to get all over my clothes, smell like rice water. I'm pregnant, if you didn't know. 34 weeks to be exact. If you're new to the channel. Oh, yeah. It ain't getting on you, is it? Okay. Make sure I ain't getting him wet. But yes, you can see it's all on there now. I sprayed it real good. I'm gonna leave this to sit.
You have a case for your phone?
Mm-hmm. Brush this down. Move this out the way. Come up closer. Yep, and before I go to bed tonight, I'm gonna make sure I do me some little 2-strand twists. I'm not gonna do no French braids. I'm gonna do like 2-strand twists and twist my hair down and leave this on there. Like my hair. Sometimes I even spray my hair with the rice water before we used to go to the swim pool. But no swimming for us. Putting it back up in a ponytail. Brush this out. And I got my little hair tie. Oh, wait, where it go? Right here. I'll make sure I brush this back. I'll put my hair tie back on. Huh? What, brushing? Uh-oh. Trying to make sure my ponytail ain't crazy. But I don't care. I'm putting my my thing on it until I can do my braids down tonight. So that is it. That's all I gotta do. Put my hair up in a little bun right here in the back, if you can see. Put it up like that. Always make sure I get my edges in the back good. Get up in the scalp. you can massage it in real good so it get all down in your scalp. It's everyone's preference. You don't have to leave it on for 5 days. Some people put it on for a few hours and they wash it out with shampoo and conditioner. Or you can leave it on if you want to see your hair growth, like measure it and see where you started at. Spray your hair day 1 and then do a day 2, 3, 4, 5, probably 7 days max. I wouldn't recommend going over 7 days with this because it's so strong. And then washing your hair and seeing how it does. Unless you got like braids or something, like protective hairstyle. So if you got a protective hairstyle, you want to spray this on. Okay, so I'm done spraying it and I have put it back in a little bun. So this is what it's gonna look like when it's done. It's all wet right now. Make your own little bottle. And then don't forget, I added some peppermint oil to mine. And peppermint oil is good for help stimulate hair growth. So, and the smell, it don't have no bad smell. Yeah, it just smells like peppermint. So that's another good added plus. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And welcome to my channel if you're new. And thank you for watching.